Satin nickel deadbolt and the door knob combo pack comes with a keyed entry Juno knob and a single-cylinder deadbolt featuring SmartKey Security for exterior doors where keyed entry and extra security is needed. Doorknob has universal handing, can be installed on both right-handed and left-handed doors. Kwikset mechanical door hardware comes with a lifetime mechanical and finish warranty. Featuring SmartKey Security, which protects against advanced break-in techniques and allows you to rekey your lock yourself in seconds. Kwikset hardware with Microban product protection stops microbes at the door, keeping hardware 99.9% cleaner than unprotected surfaces. Top reviews from the United States. Easy and affordable. Super easy to install and operate. The only thing I dock it points on is the top locking mechanism. The dial feels a little flimsy and loose but has yet to cause issues or fall off. It certainly feels like it sometimes though.